Hello everyone, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker and I welcome you to the Reaper Music Awards 2025. So for today's event, we will celebrate and recognize each talents in the local, in the indie and underground scene at kikilalanin natin kung sino yung mga exceptional na mga nanalo sa ating awards. At dito sa segment na to ay magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang segments, which is the first part will cover the special awards and then the second part will have our main awards. So, alam ko na excited kayo na malaman kung sino ang magwawagi sa ating Reaper Music Awards. At ako din ay talagang excited ng ibalita sa inyo kung sino ang magwawagi ng ating mga award. Alright, so let's begin with the special awards. So let's begin sa first award natin na Best DIY Music Video. And after the evaluation and tabulation of the judges, the award goes to Antala Timpla. Congratulations sa Antala dahil kayo ang tinaguriang Best DIY Music Video for this year's Reaper Music Awards. So, congratulations sa inyo. Okay, so for the next award, we will have the awarding for the best use of social media. So this performer utilizes the social media in the best creative way para maka-gather ng mga followers at makaut ng attention ng mga netizens natin. This award goes to Vanilla Ikanami. Congratulations, Vanilla Ikanami, for having this award and keep it up. Alright, so we will move on to the next award, and this award is called the Emerging Artist Award. So this artist ay nagsimula lang recently and had perform in different gigs, and we see that this performer grow as a performer. Gumawa rin siya ng ingay mapa social media sa kanilang scene. So we want to give this award for the greatness of this performer. The award goes to Sushi. Okay, so congratulations Sushi, sa iyo yung award na to at I hope na magpatuloy ang iyong pagpa-perform as an idol metal artist, and I hope na magkaroon pa ng maraming gigs at maraming awards. Again, congratulations. So let's move on to the next award, and this award called the Indie Gig Award of the Year. And ito yung event na inorganize ng isang production na napaka-successful at talagang hindi lang sa marami ang pumunta, kundi talagang na caught ang attention ng mga gig goers sa event na to. This award goes to Idoro Roku.
Temptation is falling, darkest alive. You couldn't save yourself, running blind. Down to the darkness as it takes your life. The war going through you made everything change. I try to replay the good times, but the memories fade away.
So again, congratulations sa Idoro Roku for the successful event na naganap sa Brooklyn Warehouse noong February. So let's move on to the next award, and this award is the Indie Production of the Year. And this production ang masasabi ko na nakapag-contribute ng maigi sa local scene at nagbigay ng mga opportunity sa mga iba't ibang mga artists. At dito na natin na-discover mga iba't ibang mga raw talents. So, with the evaluation ng ating mga judges, the award goes to Musika Patiran Productions. Shout out kay Masterboards. Congratulations sa Musika Patiran dahil naipakita nyo yung eagerness at ang pagpapa-develop ng mga iba't ibang mga local talents sa indie scene. Again, congratulations. So now we're moving on to the main awards. So I know that ito yung talagang inaabangan nyo dahil most sa inyo ay bumoto para maipanalo ang kanya-kanyang mga sa scene. At let's begin with the Best Single Artwork category.
Here are nominees for Reaper Music Awards 2025 under Best Single Artwork. Talahimig, Virus. Linya, Dios Ang Dahilan. Red Overdrive, Superhero.
Alright, so let's know now sino ang nanalo. And the award goes to congratulations. You did it well and talagang ginawa mo ang best nyo. So again, congratulations sa inyo. Alright, so let's move on to the next award. And this award is the Best Live Performance. At ito yung artist na talagang mga binigay ang kanilang best pagdating sa kanilang live performance at nagpakita sila ng mga exceptional talents. So, let's know muna kung sino ang mga nominees sa Best Live Performance.
Here are the nominees for Reaper Music Awards 2025 under Best Live Performance. Exacto, Castellano. Ilaya, Let the Flames Begin. Oxy, 8,000 Miles.
And the award goes to congratulations. And deserve nyo ang award na to dahil pinakita nyo ang best performance nyo sa mga gig. So, hopefully na i-continue nyo to at ipagpatuloy nyo lang. So, again, congratulations. So, next award, we have the J-Rock Band of the Year. At marami ang mga nag-perform sa iba't ibang J-Rock gigs. Talagang lubos na ikinatuwa ng J-Rock community. At dahil dito, bibigyan natin ng parangal ang exceptional na banda sa kanilang performance. So, kilalalin muna natin kung sino ang mga nominees sa J-Rock Band of the Year.
Here are the nominees for Reaper Music Awards 2025 under the J-Rock Cover Band of the Year. Chicago Rock Time. Yumi Miru. Hockey.
And the award goes to congratulations sa inyo. At you did it well and you showed the greatness of your band in your performance. So hopefully na ipagpatuloy nyo to at sa mga susunod pang mga J-Rock gigs, pakita nyo ang galing ninyo at para mas marami pang mamangha na mga audience. So again, congratulations. Alright, so ito na talaga yung pinaka palaman ng event natin, ang metal band at ang metal song category. So, alamin natin kung sino ang mga magwawagi ng awards para sa Metal Band of the Year at Metal Song of the Year. So, let's begin now sa Metal Song of the Year. So, the nominees for the Metal Song of the Year are the following.
Here are the nominees for Reaper Music Awards 2025 under Metal Song of the Year. As I Am, Luca. Shapeshifters, Daybreak. Nobody's Burden, Great.
And the award goes to congratulations! You did it well at talagang napakagaling ng iyong performance. At hopefully, no, na sa mga susunod pang mga metal gigs, pagpatuloy nyo yung galing nyo sa performance at maglabas pa kayo ng mga malulupit na kanta. At muli, congratulations! Deserve nyo tong award na to. Alright, so next naman ang Metal Band of the Year. So let's know who are the nominees para sa Metal Band of the Year.
Here are the nominees for Reaper Music Awards 2025 under Metal Band of the Year. As I Am. Shapeshifters. Nobody's Burden.
And the award goes to congratulations! And I hope na ipagpatuloy nyo ang kagalingan nyo sa metal gigs. Hopefully, ay marami pa kayong mangha ng mga audiences at continue lang din sa paggawa ng musika. Again, congratulations! Alright, we're now down to the last two main awards, which is the Rock Band of the Year and the Rock Song of the Year. Alright, so now we're begin with the Rock Song of the Year. The nominees for the Rock Song of the Year are the following.
Here are the nominees for Reaper Music Awards 2025 under Rock Song of the Year. Race to Valhalla, Varsity. Vanilla Economy, After Hours. The Nerd Project, Summer Feeling.
The award goes to congratulations! So, congratulations sa inyong banda at talagang pinakita nyo yung best niyo at yung kanta nyo ay napaka-deserved sa award na to. Again, congratulations! Now we're down to the last award, which is the Rock Band of the Year. So, kilalanin natin kung sino ang mga nominees sa Rock Band of the Year.
Here are the nominees for Reaper Music Awards 2025 under Rock Band of the Year. Race to Valhalla,
Pagsuyo, labis ang pagsusumamo.
Vanilla Economy,
This is how the angels fall. 'Cause tell me,
The Nerd Project,
Alright, so with the evaluation ng ating mga judges at ng votes galing sa ating mga netizens, ang Rock Band of the Year goes to
labis ang pagsuyo, labis ang pagsusumamo. Wala nang ibang magbabago pa sa isip ko, sa puso ko, labis ang pagsuyo.
congratulations! Napakagaling ng inyong performance at talagang deserve nyo ang award na to. So, muli, in behalf of Reaper Rocker, we present this award and congratulations. So, we also have special awards na binibigay natin to sa mga taong nagbigay ng pagmamahal sa musika at talagang tunay na dedikasyon. So, first, let's award the Reaper Hall of Fame awardee. So, binigay ko to personally sa bandang to dahil sa kanilang kanta na nagbibigay ng realidad sa ating lipunan. At ito rin ang bandang nagbigay ng kabulatan ng kaisipan ng mga ilang listeners dahil sa kanilang mensahe at advocacy. Talagang lubos kong hinahangaan ang kanilang dedikasyon din sa musika. So, I want to give this award to Pahina. Congratulations sa inyo. Lubos-lubos akong papasalamat sa inyong pag-deliver ng magagandang musika at sa magaling yung performance sa mga gig. So, again, congratulations. And now for another special award, which is the Untamed Spirit Award. And I want to give this award for those persons na nag-contribute sa music scene, especially sa underground at sa indie. Di sila sumuko at talagang binigay nila yung passion at dedication nila sa music. At I want to give these awards to 3 persons. And these are Joy Legason ng Gapang, Dan Alan Acosta ng Even, at Jeffrey Parayaw ng Parayawski Productions. So, congratulations sa inyo at this posthumous award will serve as the legacy ng ibinigay nyo sa music scene at talagang hindi namin malilimutan ang inyong dedikasyon at ang pagmamahal sa musika. So, congratulations sa inyo. Alright, so this wraps up the Reaper Music Awards 2025 and I just want to say this short message sa mga lahat ng nominees na congratulations sa inyo kahit sa mga na-nominate natin na hindi nagkaroon ng award. I'm still grateful na nasama kayo dito sa list ng ating mga nominees as you put the love and effort at nagbigay kayo ng ingay ngayong 2025 sa music scene. Regardless if you're win or not, you're still actually win because na-nominate kayo dito sa award natin. At I can say that with all of your love and passion with the music, talagang ibinigay nyo yung best niyo at yung effort niyo is truly appreciative talaga. Again, this is Kian from Reaper Rocker and I hope na maging prosperous ang inyong New Year at see you sa Reaper Music Awards 2026. And rock on, Pilipinas!